In the old days, criminals kidnapped people for ransom. Today, they kidnap your data. This is ransomware. First ransomware, 1989, the AIDS Trojan, spread on floppy disks, demanded payment via postal mail. 2010s, Bitcoin made anonymous payment possible. Attacks targeted hospitals, schools, entire cities. Ransomware as a service kits available on the dark web. Average ransom demand exceeds millions of dollars. Think of ransomware as a digital lock placed on your home, except the thief has the only key. AI-driven detection may help, but attackers are also using AI. Ransomware evolved from floppy disks to billion-dollar crimes, and it's not slowing down.